All right, so now we're going to make a application that will be helping the HR team with recruitment. All right, so let's start by going to setup. All right, once we're at setup, then search application manager. Okay, it's not application manager, it's app manager. All right, so we search app manager. Manager. Okay. Once under apps, it's going to be app manager. Click on app manager. All right, these are different applications that are already coming in with our developer edition. But for this example, we're going to create a brand new one. So up here where it says new Lightning app, click on that. And let's make our app for recruitment. Okay, and then description. Okay, so the developer name is going to be the name that's used, if I'm not mistaken, it's going to be the name that's used for the API generation. So in your database, this is what will be used. So for example, if you had recruitment space manager, then in the developer section, since it's going to be used by the database, you don't want to have spaces. In that case, you would have either that manager, like that, something like that, where it is indicative of not having spaces, but your database is not getting very, I guess, overfilled. All right, so let's see. To help HR team. Okay, and then you also have the option to upload an image that's saved. So if it's a brand, like let's say Coca-Cola, then the Coca-Cola logo would be there. And you can also do primary colors. So the Coca-Cola, the red color would be ideal for that. All right, so we've already made this and it's called recruitment. Let's do next. Must be unique. I guess we already have an app that's called recruitment. Let's do recruitment one. Now let's test it out. All right, so we're gonna keep these as standard. So navigation system is gonna be the standard one. Support form factors, desktop and phone. So this will be enabling the desktop version, so online version through a desktop or a laptop, and the phone version. So you can also download Salesforce on your phone, mobile phone, and you can utilize this there as long as your credentials match. Depends also on the person that sets this up. So if the admin allows company to use it on the phone, that could be set up. If the admin does not want your Salesforce account to be used on your personal devices like your cell phone, unless the company is providing it, then they can also change the credentials on that. Okay, so let's go next. All right, utility items desktop only. So the utility bar is a fixed footer that opens components in the Docker panel. Available only when the app is viewed in Lightning experience on a desktop. Okay, next. All right. Okay, so navigation items. So in that application, if you want to have different navigation items, you can add them here. So let's say we want to add home. So we'll type in home, and you can click in on home and add it there. Let's see. Okay, once you've clicked on home, next. All right, and user profiles. Right now, let's just make a user profile called admin, system admin, right? Click on system admin, add it on the selected profiles, and then save and finish. Okay, so it's generating this application, and now let's see. Okay, so our application was recruitment one, so if we go back to app manager, so let's see if we're lost or we're on a different page, then setup app manager. Okay. And we're back to the page where we built the app. So let's say you want to change and go to recruitment one. Recruitment one is one we made, so we can click on here and we can edit it, delete it, clone it. So it makes the process easier. So let's say we have recruitment one, which can only do a certain few things. And let's say HR has a new person that's hired, but HR does not want the new person to be able to see everything. Sometimes it's privacy issues, sometimes it is you don't want a new person, a new recruiter to have all the access to everything that you want. Okay, and now if you want to see the application in live action, then we'll go up here to App Launcher. So this, I guess, 3x3 but like small little circles is the app launcher. That's the easy way to get to different applications. Click on that, and then we named our application called Recruitment One. So as you see down here, number 14, Recruitment One. That's the app we'll search. Okay, and we'll click on Recruitment One. All right. So now you see the application we just made, Recruitment One. We only added the Home tab, so we have the Home tab up here, and this is the easiest step by step to make a new application. This video is going to be just on how to make an application. It wasn't supposed to be too complex. We're easing into it. So hopefully you enjoyed the video, and I want you to give it a try. And then below I'll give you instructions on how to make a different application, or you can also make the recruitment application just to see how you can test it out and learn a few more different concepts with Salesforce. Thank you for watching my video. Have a good day.